Hi guys, long time no see. It's me again, Captain Nick with MarineMax St. Petersburg. Today we've got a new piece of inventory in, an all-new Sea Ray 230 SPX outboard. Follow me on board and let's get this walkthrough started. Christmas is right around the corner. In this holiday season, tell your loved one those 3 words that everybody wants to hear. Outboard Mercury Power. Back here we've got an all-new 200 horsepower V6 engine ready to get you scooting through the water. Back here we've got the Sunpad. What I like about the 230 is it's versatile. Bring this up like so. Ooh, crikey mate, look at what we have here in the wild side by side. Seriously, this is one of the few times that you see the bimini and the arch next to each other and we're able to showcase some of the differences. Arch is nice, beautiful. However, the bimini is a little bit easier to collapse if you are challenged with some bridges in your area. Let me get comfortable. Down here you see dune interior, really nice rich stuff. Down below you've got the infinity woven vinyl carpet. Snaps on and off, easy to clean, extremely durable in the salt water also. Chances are this is not the first video on one of the SPX models you've seen. So the question comes up a lot, what's the difference between a 19, a 21, and a 23? Well, with the 23 being the granddaddy of them all, there's a couple main differences you see. Foremost, the head down below. Nice area to get out of the sun. Change your bathing suit maybe, so be it. There's a few different options that we see with the dash layout here. I've seen full analog gauges, a full digital dash. I like this one because you've got the 5-inch Simrad right there and you have your 2 analog gauges also for redundancy, and I think that it looks really nice. We have a saying here at MarineMax St. Pete, and that's every time a new family takes ownership of a Sea Ray SPX, an angel up in heaven gets its wings. So I'm Captain Nick with MarineMax in St. Petersburg, and I would love nothing more than to make that happen for you and your loved ones this holiday season. Come down and see me, and until then, I'm signing off. Bye guys.